You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this curious word and clarify the pronunciation, or should I say pronunciations, because there are different ways of pronouncing it. Yes, I'm afraid. So let's go through. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. 2 different ways, including in British English, and then we'll get to American English. Suppurative. Stress on the first syllable, always the sup syllable. Suppurative. Suppurative. Now, you can also say it as suppurative. The difference here is that you have either a p or a p. Suppurative or suppurative. Can you hear it? All right, so it's British English. Now, American English says it as suppurative. Suppurative. So for one, you have a flap T that sounds like a D, and then it's a ray sound. Suppurative. Or a bit more like the British English pronunciation, suppurative. All right, that's the 2 different ways it's pronounced in American pronunciation. And now you know them all. Can you hear them all? Can you pronounce them all? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.